Hey guys! Not wearing any makeup, but I wanted to make the video. So, I'll be doing December's Ipsy Unbagging. So let's just get into it. So my first impression, because I saw what the bag looks like, it literally just reminds me of tinfoil. Like seriously. It reminds you of tinfoil. How, like, there's no way that you would not think this is tinfoil. But I mean, it's not like, at the same time, it's not an awful looking bag. Like, I didn't like their super sparkly one or anything. But is this like supposed to be like December, Christmas, festive, holiday something? Like red? I don't know. I just feel like they could have done way better. I guess green and tinfoil. I don't know. Let's get into the contents. First thing, Focal Point Glow Lighter Selfie Press Highlighter. Ooh, I feel like I have a lot of highlighters now. I was obsessed with them before. I mean, I still like highlighters, but there's so many. So many. Ooh. It's an okay packaging. Okay, this is what it looks like. Let's see. Ooh, it definitely pigmented. Yeah, it has pigment to it. Can you? Right there. So, not bad. This just feels cheap. I don't know. Being picky here. Let's put out Ring in the New. Is your thing for this month? Shine on, sparkle, shimmer, and shine. This month, let's clink glasses to a year full of diving in, bearing all, finding your light. It's time to celebrate how far you've come. See, why couldn't they do like this colored bag or something? Like gold sparkle, maybe some sparkle gold. I don't know. It's okay. Now we're looking ahead to a new year with a resolution for bigger, brighter experiences. Here's a January sneak peek. Top tier brands and products I obsess over. Thank you. New opportunities to connect with like-minded beauty enthusiasts. Enhanced personalization and ways to make your bag more you. Yay! That's awesome. I picked an item for my January one. They let you have an option. I was like, ooh, that's nice. I forgot which one I got. I think I picked a Morphe something, maybe. I think so. I checked out, it was like a $9 value, because I like to check the actual price to see if like, am I even getting something worth it? Ooh, yes. I wonder if I got to pick this. No, I didn't get to pick this month. Tarte. I like, just seeing big brands just makes me so happy. It's like, yeah, it's worth it. Tarte High Performance Naturals. The only thing I disliked about, I think I said this in my last one, about Ipsy is they increased their price by like $2, but like I just love their $10 deal. That's kind of messed up. I think it's messed up. But it's probably like, if you want better products, you gotta pay for it, which makes sense. Oh, it's a blush. I have a Tarte blush I actually got from them before as well. Okay, I was like, where do I throw this? This is my house. Ooh, pretty. Is this the same? I'm trying to think about. No, that one had a different packaging. This one feels like a cheaper packaging than the one I got before, so that's a little odd. The other one was like legit. I don't know. Anyways, this is the Tarte one. Comes in this round thing, and then blush. What? Party dress. Amazonian Clay 12-hour blush. These are definitely good blushes though. And I got like no pigment, but I feel like it's hard to tell pigment with blush. The pigment seems alright. I like Tarte though, so it's okay. I like it. Ooh, Hey Honey, Look Into My Eyes, Retinol and Propolis Eye Mask, Leave-On Absorbing Treatment. That's awesome. Dark circles? Maybe. Designed to provide intense hydration, brightening benefits to tired and stressed under eyes while smoothing wrinkles and reducing dark circles. Yay! That's awesome. So I just leave it on, huh? Leave on so I put it on at night. Nice, very nice. Might use that tonight. I think I'm doing a face mask. Ooh, Kenzie Free Spirit. Perfume! I forgot they added perfume. I was like, what? I'm getting a perfume? This is awesome. That's really cool. I think that is amazing. Okay. Cool. Cool. Become a fan and get a free gift. Limited time offer. New launch Free Spirit. What's the gift though? Oh, 30% off fragrance or gift sets. Ipsy customers only. I probably don't care, honestly. I need, because I stop spending money, so. Sorry. Alright, Kenzie Free Spirit. Seems kind of like a cheap, but it's Ipsy. I feel like I'm being so bratty in this video. Okay, that went like completely in the wrong direction, but ooh, that is actually you guys smell it? Alright. It smells like Free Spirit. No, really, it actually smells pretty good. It has a little bit of sweet scent to it. I like it. I like it. I really like the spritz to it. It wasn't just like an annoying spritz. It gave a lot. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, that's cool. That's 4. I was like, I think I need one more. Ooh, this is pretty. Beauty for Real. Starlist lip gloss. That's cool. At the beginning I thought it was like eyeshadow thing, the liquid, like glittery eyeshadow. It's this. Beauty for Real. I don't really wear lip glosses. Yeah, I think I made a video like 2 years ago where I was like, reasons I hate lip glosses. So bad, but it's kind of funny now looking back. Okay, all right, Beauty for Real. Let's see. Ooh. Don't have a mirror. Okay. Very dry. So not glossy. It's quite the dry. It was kind of dry when I put it on, which is weird, but just like any lip gloss, I might start wearing lip gloss more. Okay, that was all my products, and now I will rate them. The bag, you already know it. So highlighter, give it like a 4 out of 5. I'm kind of like done with the highlighters, and the packaging, I don't know, it kind of seems cheap, like I said, but I mean, so highlighter is cool and it has good big pigment. Next thing, the Tarte, 5 out of 5. I think I just really like the brand, so biased opinion, but yeah, I like Tarte and I'm glad I got something from there. And yeah, I like blush. Blush is so in right now with me. I think because of winter, probably. Blush looks really good in winter for some reason. I don't know. I love it. And then next one, the eye cream. I never tried it or anything, but I'm gonna give it a 5 out of 5 because it's a really cool product. And I don't have like a leave-on mask, so that's really cool. Then, is this a plump gloss? My lips are starting to burn a little. Beauty for Real. Oh, Miami Beach, Florida. Oh, I'll rate this 4 out of 5. It's a pretty color. I don't know if I really care that much about glosses, but I like it. It's cool. Nice. Fragrance, I'm gonna give it a 5 out of 5 just because it's a new product. They've never given fragrance before, and I actually do like the smell. So, Kenzie Free Spirit, 5 out of 5. And that was all my products. Is that all? Yep, I think that's all. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment stuff below, subscribe.